What's up everyone? Welcome to this new episode of Quickie Plugin Reviews, and I do apologize for my face not being in the video. As I was starting to get ready for the filming of this, my camera died and I didn't want to postpone the video, so I'm just going to rely on my voice and on the screen cap, which to be honest are the most important things anyway. And in this video what I wanted to do is cover a cool plugin that I recently discovered. But before that, let me provide a bit of context. I kept receiving tracks that have EQ problems in the sense that they have buildups at specific frequencies. And up until this point, I used to fix that with EQ cuts or with multiband compression. But I found an even more streamlined and elegant solution in DeFilter right here. And I'm going to apply this to a mix. In this case, the full mix down to a song I did with Electric Tuxedo a while back called Countdown. So let's have a listen to what that sounds like. Stop the countdown of our beating hearts now. We can't let ourselves down, no. And with the 1.3K boost that I recently found on a track that bugged me a lot. Let's have a listen to what that would sound like on this type of mix. Stop the countdown of our beating hearts now. We can't let ourselves down, no. Pretty bad. So what I did was open up DeFilter, and I put it on music, the EQ profile down here. And also, once I hit play, and you'll hear that it doesn't sound good, but it does do one really important thing. Stop the count. Right around there, it figures out that this is a problem region. So I'm going to enable the emphasis curve and put it at around 1.3. Whoops. Oh, come on. And then double click to make a new point and just hone in on that specific region. We don't want anything else affected by this. And the learn function is activated. So let's have a listen to that now. Stop the countdown of our beating hearts now. We can't let. Solves the problem. Let's have a listen to it before and after. Stop the countdown of our beating hearts now. We can't let ourselves down, no. And obviously this is an adaptive one just because it's on learn, but we can just unclick this and then it's gonna stay like that. Stop the countdown of our beating hearts now. We can't let ourselves down, no. And I hope you could hear that when I toggled that on and off. It just made everything better. And obviously this is on a full mix. It's unlikely you'll find something like this on a full mix, but you will most likely find something similar on any stem, like a vocal or a guitar track, even on some drum recordings. And you want a clean fix and a simple and a fast one, and the Acon Digital DeFilter is the perfect plugin for this type of corrective EQing. And also it has multiple algorithms. You also have a speech one, which I'm probably gonna cover in a future video. But if you had similar problems with tracks in the past, this plugin is a lifesaver and saves you a lot of time in the long run. So highly recommend you use it. So let me know in the comments below if you have used it before or if you plan on using it and on what type of music or whatever you plan on using it. And see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot for watching the video until the end. I really do hope you got something out of it. And if you did enjoy it, if you did get any value out of it, please let me know in the comments below. And consider subscribing to the channel, share the video, like it, all that jazz, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks.